Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the 1 hour chart of gold USD in front of us. And the confusion on gold still remains. Gold reversed from a level of 2035 and right now we can see that gold is showing sideways nature. So it's a little bit confusing market right now. But thanks to God that today we don't have any news during the US session. So we can expect that more or less the technicals will be having the influence for the day. Otherwise, news drives the market crazy. Okay, and let's look at the market sentiment. Gold set for a weekly gain on safe haven inflow, softer dollar. Gold edges higher, aided by mild dollar weakness. Let's look at the weakness. And this is the chart of DXY, US dollar index in front of us. And things are changing on DXY. So, okay, listen to me carefully. So DXY was an uptrend for quite some time. We know it very well. And how do we say a market to be an uptrend? From the structure of the market. Okay, there is always a big confusion among the traders around the world how to identify a trend reversal. And to identify trend reversal, many use indicators like moving average, but the market structures speaks the best. And here we can see the same story. Previously, the market was an upturn market was forming higher highs, higher lows, and here we can see the market broke the previous low, market from a lower low. And for quite some time, DXY is also forming lower highs. So there is weakness on dollar. And if DXY fails to move above 104.20 and starts falling from here, we can consider it as a trend reversal as well. Now you must be thinking why 104.20 is important for dollar, because see, to give us the confirmation that yes, the market is still in uptrend, DXY will have to form a higher high. Means the buyers still have the strength to take the market up. Formation of lower high indicates that buyers are losing the strength. Slowly sellers are taking control. Okay, so if market fails to break this level, then obviously we can expect the market will be going down, and if it breaks, then it will be a confirmation that okay, DXY is going up again. Okay. And in case DXY breaks 103.40, the previous low, if DXY breaks this level here, then you can expect that DXY will be heading towards the next level of 103 to 102.90. Okay, you must be thinking that why I'm talking about DXY so much, because see, US dollar, okay, US dollar plays a very important role on forex trading. Therefore, knowing about the US dollar is very important for every forex trader. Sorry, I already have taken a lot of time on DXY. Okay, and hopefully you got at least the idea. Now let's talk about gold. Okay, before I begin with the chart of gold USD, let me be very honest. The number of trading opportunities or gold are quite few, because we can see that there is not much volatility in the market, and as of now, okay, gold is showing sideways nature. If you look at the overall trend, then obviously on 1 hour time frame the overall trend may seem to be up, but if you look at the present trend of the market, then do we see an uptrend market? No, we see a sideways market. In sideways market, the best trading opportunity is buy at support, sell at resistance is the best trading strategy all around the world. And most of the people lose money in sideways market because we lose patience and we enter on the middle of the chart, as a result of which we get trapped. Okay, so don't lose patience. It's better to wait and watch instead of losing money. Don't forget it. Okay. Now let's discuss one by one. First of all, we have a buy around 2019. 2019 is the level where market took support previously. So it means that we have some buyers around this area, and this is not a very strong level, but still you can expect the market to bounce from here, especially during the European session and Asian session. So if market comes to this area, observe the market. If you see market is showing price rejection from below, you can hit the buy button. But in case market surprises us with heavy selling pressure, means if you see that market is showing big red candles, market is going down, then obviously you need to use a common sense. If you see the market is standing at 2019 with a big red candle, then obviously you need to avoid it. In that case, your next support will be around 2015 to 2013. This is your next support on the chart of gold. So first support is 2019, and day traders, you can expect a bounce. If it fails, your second support will be 2015 to 2013. Why? Because of this. Yes, I'm back with my beloved Fibonacci. So we have Fibo 38.2% retracement level. Along with that, you can see the market has bounced previously from this area, and we also have the 200 moving average. So if we combine all the three factors, we can expect that we have some good buyers present around this area. If market drops, we should get a bounce here, at least 40 to 50 pips bounce we should get. Okay, and then you can see we have the next support around 2009 or 2009 because of FEB 50% retracement level. And you can see the same area also saying that previously it was a resistance, so we can expect that it should work as support. So you can see I'm not using FIBO only. Okay, we are combining things, okay, so that we get better confirmation. The world's most affordable forex trading workshop is back again, that I conduct in both Hindi and English language. It's a 3 days workshop followed by 1 month support. And my dear friends, this workshop is not for complete beginners. If you are in the market for quite some time and you are struggling, unable to make profit, then only this workshop will be beneficial for you. I have also shared my story so that you can understand that nothing is impossible in the market. Once you open the website, you will see that there's a questionnaire so that you can understand whether the workshop will be beneficial for you or not. Because there are some small things that doesn't require any classes or something like that. Okay, you can just Google the problem and you can just work on it. Okay, just being honest here. So these are the topics that we will be dealing during the workshop. And as I said, 3 days workshop followed by 1 month support. And during the 1 month support, okay, we will be having weekly sessions, and these are the topics of discussion for the weekly classes. And during the 1 month support, you will be receiving WhatsApp updates regularly. You can see this is our WhatsApp group. So these type of updates you'll be receiving on day-to-day basis. And then we also have a Telegram community so that you can interact with other members. You can share ideas, ask questions. You can see this is just a glimpse of the Telegram community. It's a colorful community. You will find traders from all around the world. You can see the next workshop dates are 1st, 2nd and 3rd of March for English classes, and for Hindi classes 9, 10, 11th of March. Though we have plenty of time for the Hindi classes, but still you can join now. You'll be receiving free access to the Telegram community and WhatsApp messages free till the workshop date. Okay, after that it will start. And my dear friends, you can see the best part is the fees. It's only $15 or rupees 1,000 for 3 days workshop with 1 month support. And these are the benefits that you will be receiving during the 1 month. And as we all know, trading takes time. Okay, trading takes time, and trading is like a journey. So to clear doubts, to have personal sessions with me so that you can understand the problems better. If you're looking for personal sessions with me, then you can also sign up for semi-annual and lifetime support. You can see these are also very much affordable. If you're wondering how long the personal sessions will last, okay, don't have to worry about that time. Okay, usually, okay, it lasts for 1 hour, 1.5 hours. Okay. Personal sessions are useful for traders, okay, who are in a process of learning, I guess. Okay. Anyways, these are the payment methods. Everything is mentioned on the website. The link is in the description. Once you're done with the payment, just share a screenshot to this WhatsApp number below, or you can also email here. But yes, please do share your WhatsApp number so that I can add you to the group. Thank you so much. And if you're wondering about resistance, then yes, the next resistance is around 2048 to 2050. This is the next resistance on the chart of gold. 2050, as we all know, it's a round number, it's a psychological level, and here we can also use FIBO because FIBO is working perfectly. Yesterday also we saw the market beautifully market reverse. So here the next resistance is around 2048 to 2050. Now I would like to discuss one thing here, and that is, you can see that if market breaks 2035, okay, there is a big space. Try to understand my point here. Okay, this is an empty space. So if you're thinking to buy at breakout, okay, if you're thinking to buy at breakout, then yes, you can go for it, but keep in mind it is a little bit risky because because you can see though it looks like an empty space, but we can see that there have been numerous price ejections around this area previously. So as a result, it can be a little bit riskier, especially if you see that market is going up but there is not much volume. Then there's a high chance that before hitting 2048, market will show reversal signs around 2040, 2041. It can be scary for you as well. But so for a proper breakout, volume plays a very important role. If you see the market is going up with heavy volume, big candles, then you can go for it. But otherwise, because of numerous price ejections around this area earlier, your breakout may turn into a false breakout as well. So yes, if market reverses from 2048, 2050, definitely you can look for a sell position. But yes, before the sell position, if risk is your middle name, yeah, you can go for a buy here as well, but be careful. Okay, so these are the trading opportunities that I see on the chart of gold as of now. If I take you to the lower time frame, my dear friends, you can see on lower time frame also we can see a typical sideways market. So do not lose patience, be a trader, not a gambler. Okay, that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Be careful during the market closing hours. Market may show some unexpected moves. Bye bye.